Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a canyon cruise today with a few old friends. One of my friends has I think it's a 2018 GT350 Mustang. And then one of my other friends, he has my old 2006 A4 cam GTO. He's put a different cam in it, but we'll go over that later. I cleaned C5 up just a little bit. And this will be a short cruise, and I'll try to get some... we're not going to do nothing crazy, and try to get some runs in, and I'm going to be doing some data logging too with the new tune that I got from Andy, from Florida, my buddy Andy. Shout out to Andy. And let's do a cold start. Alright guys, this is the end of the run, and we're going to talk about the cars. We're not going to talk about mine because you guys already know about mine. This is my friend Pete. He's an old friend of mine, and we're going to talk about a Shelby. And it's pretty much stock, but he just did some cosmetics to it, so here he is.
My name is Pete. I have a 2018 Shelby GT350. I haven't done any much to it. I got about 900 miles on it, and basically what I've done is I've changed the stripe to the R stripes because of the original stripes were gloss stripes and they had swirls in them, and I didn't like that, so I changed them to the GT350R. And basically I haven't had a fast car since my 1986 Porsche 930 Turbo. and this is pretty close to that.
Okay. So he's got a website where he does embroidery, and he's got an Instagram. It's called Creative Logos. Go on there and check it out, and give him a look. And he does all kinds of stuff on there. He makes some really cool hats. So go on there and check him out. All right, now we're gonna look at my friend Lou's car. This is my old GTO that I sold him 10 years ago. I bought this car brand new with 1 mile on it. So here he is. He's gonna talk about his car.
Hey guys, this is a 2006 GTO. I bought off of Frank in 09. It has roughly 62,000 miles on it. It has a few modifications. Got a comp cam, 224, 228, California cam. It has ported throttle body, long tube headers, 3-inch exhaust all the way back. Upgraded the brakes. I did all full suspension. Love its suspension kit. What else? I used to have a Ferrari Testarossa, and it wasn't quite as fast as this, but you know. Anyway, it's what else? What else did I do with it? That was it.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
And he's got Cook's headers in there.
Cook's long tube headers.
So his Ferrari Testarossa was a 1/18th scale model that was on his bed stand. So that's just for heads up on that. So, but this is my old GTO. He's got some like Federal RSR 595 RSRs. Wow, I was gonna put those on mine. So he's got those on there. He said they grip really good, guys. So he's got the stock tires. No wrong. He's got 255 40/17. So I think he's went up a size, and but he says those grip really good. I was gonna put those on the Vet, but I decided to go for the front SS 595s, the regular ones, the cheapies. So somebody hit him a while back, and he painted the valance. He had the valance professionally painted because he said they were having a hard time finding the valance at the dealer or whatever. The other people paid for everything, so he had it color matched. So it looks pretty good. When I had it, the bottom was gray. I sold him this car with, I think the car had about 7,000 miles on it when I sold it. It was a pretty crappy time in my life when I was in the middle of a divorce, and I had to get rid of the car. It was sad because then I didn't have a performance car for a long time. So this is going to be it, guys. We're out here in beautiful Buckman Springs. This is Campbell, California. This is the rest stop / visitor center. I guess it's just rest stop. And we're going to end it right here. So subscribe, like, give me comments if you want, whatever, you know. Sorry about the audio and everything. I mean, there's going to be some wind noise on the on the GoPro, and probably maybe on this one too, because it's windy out here today. We have Santa Ana winds. So subscribe, like, give me some comments, dislike if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one.